my attempt at printing a bearing to fix a problem that I found that I had from resizing an SDL. I didn't resize it to the bearing, to a known, to a place that, or I didn't resize it to the hole for the bearing to fit in, and check online to see what bearing was recommended to go in it. And so when I printed it, then after I looked to see what bearing, and realised that the hole was bigger than the bearing. So I got the resizing wrong, and I decided to make my own bearings, because it's only a test, it's only a toy. So that's the bearing. That is loose, although it's so small that it's not loose. That you should be able to push that through, and I left it with the drawing with these inside. Are they any good? Probably not. Do they roll? Not extremely well. Is it a bit too small for a X1 carbon? Maybe. But if I'd made them as two separate things, I think I've got belief that they were 8mm, right? I think it would work. Just a little bit more improvement to it, because it's all a bit too tight. You can see the width, and the inner wall, the top and the bottom is 2mm. So it's not, there's still a 0.5mm either side of these. It's supposed to be. Anyway, the point was just so that I could have something to test these with, right? And they are the correct dimension that I want. And so now I'll have no problem in testing. And it didn't cost me a lot of money buying the correct bearings made of steel.